How to get Linux console window width in Python. Is there a way in Python to programmatically determine the width of the console? I mean the number of characters that fits in one line without wrapping, not the pixel width of the window. Edit. Looking for a solution that works on Linux.
Uses the st-size command, which according to a thread on the Python mailing list is reasonably universal on Linux. It opens the st-size command as a file, reads from it, and uses a simple string split to separate the coordinates. Unlike the os.environ columns, value, which I can't access in spite of using bash as my standard shell, the data will also be up to date, whereas I believe the os.environ columns, value would only be valid for the time of the launch of the Python interpreter. Suppose the user resized the window since then. See answer by @Gringaswolf on how to do this on Python 3.3+.
Not sure why it is in the module shuttle, but it landed there in Python 3.3. See? Querying the size of the output terminal. A low-level implementation is in the OS module. Cross-platform, works under Linux, Mac OS, and Windows, probably other Unix likes. There's a backport as well, though no longer relevant.
Use. Edit. Oh, I'm sorry. That's not a Python standard lib1. Here's the source of console.py. I don't know where it's from. The module seems to work like that. It checks if termcap is available, when yes. It uses that. If no, it checks whether the terminal supports a special IACL call, and that does not work. 2. It checks for the environment variables some shells export for that. This will probably work on Unix only.
Code above didn't return correct result on my Linux because winsize struct has 4 unsigned shorts, not 2 signed shorts. HP and HP should contain pixel width and height, but don't.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.